Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for takeoff into the wild world of carry-on luggage in 2024. Remember when we thought the days of frantically chugging water bottles at security were behind us? Well, surprise, the European Union has decided to hit the rewind button. As of September 1st, 2024, we're back to the good old days of 100 milliliter liquid limits across all EU airports. So much for progress, folks. While rumors were swirling about the EU standardizing carry-on dimensions, it turns out that that was just fake news. However, don't get too comfortable. Airlines still have their own size restrictions that'll make you feel like you're playing luggage Tetris. Now, before you start panic buying miniature everything, let's talk about what really matters when choosing your carry-on. Of course, size matters, but so does weight, durability, and whether it can survive being crammed into an overhead bin by an overzealous flight attendant. And let's not forget style, because if you're going to lug this thing around multiple airports, you might as well look good doing it. So buckle up, we're about to embark on a journey through the treacherous terrain of carry-on selection. It's a world where every inch counts, weight is the enemy, and your choice of bag could mean the difference between breezing through security or being that person holding up the line. Let's dive in. Let's begin with the creme de la creme of carry-ons, the Travelpro Platinum Elite Expandable Carry-On Spinner with a price tag of $365 US. First things first, this bad boy is built to last. We're talking high-density nylon fabric with a DuraGuard coating that laughs in the face of stains and abrasions. It's like giving your suitcase a suit of armor, minus the clanking. Now, let's talk about space. This 21-inch wonder expands up to 2 inches, giving you that extra room for all those essentials you just had to buy. And with 46 liters of capacity, you can pack for a week-long trip without breaking a sweat. This carry-on comes with a built-in USB port for charging your devices on the go. It's like having a personal power station that follows you around. Just remember, the power bank isn't included. That would be too easy, right? And let's not forget about those wheels. The Precision Glide system with 8 Magnetrack self-aligning spinner wheels makes this bag smoother than a jazz saxophone solo. So you'll be gliding through the airport like you're on a magic carpet ride. But the real cherry on top? This bag comes with a lifetime warranty. That's right, folks. This might be the last carry-on you ever buy. Unless, of course, you can't resist a good luggage sale. Alright, let's talk about the Away, the bigger carry-on. The suitcase that's like the overachiever of the luggage world. At $295 US, it's the slightly beefier cousin of the standard Away carry-on, offering 15% more space for all those just-in-case items you probably won't need but can't bear to leave behind. Now, this carry-on measures 22.7 by 14.7 by 9.6 inches and holds a whopping 47.9 liters. That's enough room for a week's worth of clothes and that new turntable you just couldn't resist buying at Urban Outfitters. Because who says you can't have a dance party in your hotel room? But here's the kicker. It still fits in most overhead bins on domestic flights. The Away bigger carry-on comes with all the bells and whistles you'd expect. A durable polycarbonate shell that can take a beating, 360-degree spinner wheels for when you're running to catch your connection, and a TSA-approved combination lock for when you're paranoid about someone stealing your collection of hotel shampoos. But wait, there's more. It's got a built-in laundry bag, because let's face it, no one wants their dirty socks mingling with their clean clothes. And if you're feeling extra fancy, you can even get it with an ejectable battery to charge your devices. This carry-on also features a hidden pocket underneath the handle, perfect for stashing your passport, boarding pass, or other small essentials for quick access during your travels. Just remember, while this bag is a dream for domestic travel, it might be a bit too big for some international carriers. So if you're planning a European adventure, you might want to double check those airline restrictions. After all, nothing ruins a vacation faster than having to wear 7 layers of clothing through security because your bag was too big. Now, let's talk about a new player in the carry-on game. The Ridge Carry-On Base Camp in a bold, eye-catching orange. Ridge, known for their sleek, minimalist wallets, has ventured into the world of travel with a clear mission: to elevate your journeying experience. This carry-on is built on the foundation of Ridge's core values: quality, design, and innovation. The durable polycarbonate shell is tough enough to withstand the rigors of frequent travel, while still being lightweight at just 9.1 pounds. The interior is thoughtfully designed with zippered compartments and compression straps to keep your belongings organized and secure. But here's where the Ridge carry-on really shines: the organization. It features a built-in tech compartment with a detachable tech kit, perfect for keeping your devices and cables neatly stored and easily accessible. Plus, there's a hidden pocket underneath the handle for stashing your passport, boarding pass, or other small essentials. The 360-degree spinning wheels and telescoping handle make navigating through busy airports a breeze, and with a capacity of 45 liters, you'll have plenty of room for all your essentials and maybe even a souvenir or two. Ridge stands behind the quality of their products with a lifetime guarantee, so you can travel with confidence knowing your carry-on is built to last. And let's be honest, the vibrant orange color is sure to make a statement at the baggage claim. At $325, the Ridge Carry-On Base Camp is an investment in elevating your travel experience. It's the perfect companion for the frequent flyer who values organization, durability, and style. Are we making your carry-on decision easier or harder? Let us know which one you end up buying in the comments. And if you buy them all, we won't blame you. Number 4, Quince Carry-On Hard Shell Suitcase. This little beauty is like the scrappy underdog of the luggage world. At just $129.90, it's practically begging you to spend the rest of your travel budget on, I don't know, actual traveling. But don't let the price fool you. This suitcase is no slouch in the quality department. Made from durable polycarbonate, this hard shell can take a beating. It's like giving your belongings their own personal bodyguard. And at a svelte 6.7 pounds, it's lighter than your last relationship baggage. Now, let's talk features. You've got your 360-degree spinner wheels for when you're running to catch that connecting flight. There's a TSA-approved combination lock because, let's face it, airport security is stressful enough without adding a lock-picking challenge. Inside, you'll find a removable laundry bag, and with 48 liters of capacity, you can pack for a week-long trip or a weekend getaway where you just can't decide what to wear. But here's the kicker. Quince offers a 365-day return policy and a limited lifetime warranty. That's right, folks, this suitcase is in it for the long haul, just like that friend who always shows up to help you move. So if you're looking for a carry-on that won't break the bank, but will break stereotypes about budget luggage, the Quince Carry-On Hardshell Suitcase might just be your new travel BFF. Ready to take off into the world of luxury luggage? Check out the Rimowa Essential Lite Cabin. This little beauty is like the supermodel of suitcases, sleek, lightweight, and turns heads at every airport. At a whopping $760, it'll make your wallet cry, but your clothes will travel in style. Weighing in at a mere 4.9 pounds, it's Rimowa's answer to those pesky airline weight restrictions that always seem to catch you off guard. And despite its featherweight status, it still manages to pack a punch with 37 liters of space. That's enough room for a week's worth of outfits. Now, let's talk about durability. This carry-on is made of polycarbonate. It's scratch and scuff resistant, so it'll keep looking Instagram-worthy, even when being tossed around by baggage handlers who seem to think they're training for the Luggage Olympics. It comes with a TSA-approved lock, because nothing says I'm a sophisticated traveler like not having your underwear on display during a random security check. And those spinner wheels? Very smooth, thanks to their ball-bearing mounted system with cushioned axles. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds expensive. Well, you're not wrong. At $760, it's not exactly pocket change, but think of it as an investment in your travel sanity. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty. So there you have it, the Rimowa Essential Lite Cabin. Because your clothes deserve a first-class ride, even when you're stuck in economy. You know what costs nothing? Hitting that like and subscribe button. We'd absolutely love you if you did, and we won't charge you for it either. Number 6, Briggs & Riley Baseline Domestic Carry-On Expandable Spinner. First off, let's talk about its party trick. the CX Compression Expansion System. This nifty feature lets you expand the bag by a whopping 25% for packing, then compress it back down to carry-on size. It's like having a suitcase that can hold its breath. Made with a ballistic nylon exterior and a hybrid fiberglass frame, this bag is very tough. Now, here's a clever bit. The handle is on the outside of the bag. That means no poles eating up your precious packing space inside. But wait, there's more. This bag comes with a lifetime guarantee. At 10 pounds, it's not exactly a featherweight, but hey, with great features comes great weight. And let's talk about the price tag. At around $599, it's not cheap. But remember, this is an investment in your travel sanity. It's like buying peace of mind with wheels. Number 7, Monos Carry-On Pro. This sleek little number is like the James Bond of luggage. Stylish, efficient, and full of hidden compartments. At 22 by 14 by 9 inches, it's designed to fit most overhead bins. Now, let's talk about its party trick, the hard shell front pocket. It's like having a secret agent compartment for your laptop, up to 15 inches, and other gadgets. No more fumbling through your entire bag at security. It's made of aerospace-grade polycarbonate, and it has smooth YKK zippers, a TSA-approved lock, and a 4-stop telescoping handle that's more adjustable than your yoga instructor. Inside, it's like a game of Tetris for your clothes. With 36 liters of capacity, it's perfect for those 2 to 5 day trips where you need 3 outfits per day. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds expensive. Well, at around $295 when it's on sale, it's a very good option. Plus, it comes with a magic eraser for scuffs, because Monos knows we're all a little clumsy sometimes. The wheels on this thing, with its redesigned whisper quiet wheels, you're in for a very smooth experience. So there you have it, the Monos Carry-On Pro, for when you want your luggage to be as smart and stylish as you pretend to be on Instagram. We've taken a whirlwind tour through the top tier of carry-on luggage, from wallet-friendly winners to high-end bags that cost more than your monthly rent. No matter if you're a weekend wanderer or a world-traveling wizard, there's an ideal carry-on companion out there waiting for you. Keep in mind, the ultimate luggage isn't just about looking stylish at the airport, although that's definitely a plus. It's about making your journeys easier, more efficient, and heck, even more fun. So pick prudently, pack strategically, and may the overhead bin gods always smile upon you. Until next time, from your friends at the Vacation Agent, safe travels.